Hello and welcome to the New Haven Museum. My name is Jason Bischoff-Wurstle, curator of the exhibit Factory. Factory tells the post-industrial underground history of the New Haven Clock Company. The colorful history of this building was often hidden in plain view. The Clock Factory was really intriguing to work with and became an obsession of mine because it crossed over on so many different interests and levels. And it represents a history overall, and especially this period of the post-industrial. In the past and in other shows, we've covered the industrial history and covered the 19th century history and even early 20th. But rarely, as an institution, have we dove into what we'd say even more recent time periods. And this gave me the chance to firsthand speak to the people participating in this history and document this history so it'll continue to live here at the New Haven Museum. That was super exciting. And again, it's super exciting to work with something in a post-industrial sense, a more underground sense. It kind of shakes up the norms of what is considered historical canon here in Connecticut, here in New Haven, and show a broader sense of history. And here being a city historical museum, broaden our mission to collect everybody's different stories. So it gave really that wonderful opportunity to do that because there's so many different levels. There's people's general day-to-day life. There's their dreams. There's their bands. There's their art. It broke through in this burst of life. And commonly what I'd hear from every single person I spoke to about this building was these were the best days of their lives. They look back on these times with maybe a romantic view, but still everybody's got that. So capturing that energy was just really fun and seeing it through these threads that carried through. And it created this wonderful subject, while at the same time, the average person tends to think that this building is just an abandoned, old, cruddy factory on the other side of 91.